Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to gift a membership on Medium, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So I'm sure you know, but if you don't know, on Medium you can read 3 free articles per month. So in order to read as many articles as you want, you have to become a member. And you can gift a membership, I mean you can purchase a membership for someone else, and in that way that person can read as many articles as he or she wants. So you can do that if you go to your profile. Then here you can see the gift a membership. Click here. So with a membership, the readers and thinkers in your life can enjoy a year of unlimited ideas for $50. So if you want to purchase more than 10 gifts, you have to email to this email address. You have to give the recipient name, the recipient email, and the sender name, the sender email, and you can write a message which is optional. After that, click on the continue to payment. Then you have to give your credit card details, and then it's all set. You have a gift for someone else. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.